Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Actually, today in this video I am going to describe some object. Actually, you know that I am struggling to improve my communication skills and I'm trying to improve my English, and that's why I try to make every single day at least one video. So most of the day, most of the time I could not make any video because I did not get the proper time to make any video. So today I'm going to describe some object. Actually, right now you can see in my hand two objects. Actually, this object I use for teaching my students. Actually, you know that I teach my students math. Already you can see behind me there is a whiteboard, and you can also see that there is some math already solved. Actually, I solved this math when I teaching some students. At that time I solved this math. So right now I'm recording this video for English actually. So let's begin today's topic. Actually, today's topic is describe object. Now you can see in my hand two objects. One is marker pen. Also another object is duster. Actually, let's describe step by step. First of all, I want to describe the marker pen. Actually, this is the black marker pen, and I can see this marker pen made of plastic and gray and with a black cap actually. And this marker used for written something on whiteboard. Actually, I by using this marker I solve so many math when I teach my students, and that time I use this marker. And also you can see in my hand there is a duster. Actually, by using this duster I erase board. Actually, if I make any mistakes when I solve any math, if I make any mistake or if I written all the board, and that time if I need to clean all the board, I clean by using this duster like this. And this duster actually used for this type of work. Now come to the another point, that is this duster made of plastic and some black fonts actually. So I know that this is not easy for me because I am not a English medium student. I am not a, my subject is not English. So English is a language, so I want to improve my English. That's why I'm trying to develop my English communication skill, and that's why I'm trying to recording this video. So if you are also struggle like me, you can describe, you can record your video like this. Definitely it will be helpful for you, and I know that everything is possible if you try. That's why I believe this thing, and I'm trying, and I believe that if I try, if I practice my English, one day I will be able to speak in English spontaneously, and my dream is to be a fluent English speaker. I hope that you already understand that I'm struggling so much. So keep going. If you are struggling to improve your English, you can practice like me. Actually, now I am standing in my coaching center. Actually, in front of me there is no students right now. This is actually it's time 8:06 p.m. It's a night actually. So that's all about. Okay, thanks for watching this video.